Having a couple issues with the screen we just got back from you. My input power is (212 volts). On 5.01 on my DC coming out. When I hook up the panel, I get a pulsing, which gives me a pulsing cursor up top. Any suggestions?